my neighbors. It takes a whole village to raise a child, and it's just a reflection of that. Ukuthi makangikhulisa ngayedwa, wangikhulisa no-auntie, wangikhulisa nomndeni wami osehleli, wangikhulisa nomakhelwane laba abangavilakazi, wangikhulisa like next door Magabe, and wonke umuntu like yeah, God does so much in your life. It's crazy. And then my friends, thank you. Like, you don't understand how much I love you, all of you. You don't understand how much I wake up every day and I say, God, thank you for my friends. Because friends really shape the person that you become. Friends are so influential in your thoughts, in your actions, in everything. And if I didn't have these girls here today, I would be a different person. But because every journey, I'm here today and I'm who I am today because of them. It wasn't because of me. But uNkulunkulu ngiphela amantombazane engiwathanda wonke khona baphume PLK umama uhlele duze kwamakazi sekuthiwa this whole ceremony akasazi izulu azispain.